Hello, everybody. Welcome to my studio. I'm bringing you a nature trifold journal today to look through. This is pretty big, but it sits wonderfully on your desk or on your shelf. It just sits like this. Hopefully you can see that. And all of this beautiful stuff slipping out. Okay, let's get to it and look inside. It just has this stained ribbon tying it up. It just comes right off. I'll set that to the side. And then it opens up this way. It starts off with a poem right here, Deep in a Forest Glen. Open it again. And then here's two sections, and then over here is a journal section. We'll get to that. So let's open this way. There we go. I want to make sure you can see everything. A little collage. Here's a flip. It has a tag booklet. And right inside. Some of it I probably won't remove. I'll just leave for you to explore. Little rabbit. So it's an acetate window with one in the back, and up front is these lattice window. Flips over, and these are 4 pockets. These journaling cards come out. And then this is a little forest scene with fairies. And this opens, and you can, so pockets, window pocket that you can put something in and cover the scene. Okay, and flip that back. And it opens this way. I guess I have to open this. There we go. And this opens to 2 tags. And back here is another pocket with a tag in it. Here's a collage. Has a little envelope. Those are little cards in it. Put that there. Bar now information. And matches this one. Here's little tags and little goodies. Here's a tag. No, this is a journaling card. Journaling card. Okay, let's go this way first. Here's some more journaling cards. Another little poem. This is a booklet that pulls out, and this is a belly band. This is a booklet that you can just take with you and record. These open up, and it's just writing paper on the inside. This is actually a journaling card you can pull out, pull it back in. Okay, here is a feather. There's individual pockets, and each one has some goodies in it. It's just dried flowers. There's just some rough paper that was stamped on. This opens. There's a tag inside. It's a fabric flip up. And then you can write on the back. And this is the writing paper you pull out. It's kind of card, writing card. I'll put that back later. Otherwise, this is going to take a while. Just set that over there. Okay, and then this flips this way. So you can see that. Maybe at the far end. Let's see. There we go. This is paper that you can write on, and it's holding this flip. And then inside there's this tag. And here is the acetate window, but this is a card, so you don't have to use the pretty scene And put whatever you like in there. This is the pocket the tag goes in. This sits right here behind, like that. Put her back. Move this back over. Okay, these are trading cards. Each one has its own pocket. Each one flips open. Like this. These are hand stitched, embroidered patterns one, and then each one has a file full. This is a pocket, and each one has a pocket, and each one has one of these file folders that you can put something inside to keep safe. They slide in the front pocket. So there's the little number, and then so each one's the same. And we have this that flips open, the dragonfly, and inside is a dancing fairy. You can tuck whatever you want in here. This is just a card inside the envelope, just to show you that you can put something in here. It's kind of big, so you can put bigger stuff in there. Okay, we'll come back to that. And moving on, let's move over here. Over here this is embossed paper that you can use to write on. This tag is actually on here, so you can't remove it. It just stays there. Then we have inside here, we've got this beautiful owl in the front. Opens to a pocket, and then each one of these opens. You have to remove. These are paper clips. It kind of got flattened. You remove those and open it, and then there's a tag. And it's in each pocket, and then these flip open. And then you have this removable notepad. This is to show you that this is an acetate window. You put whatever you want in. And then the notepad, just blank paper. And you take that off and it can pull out. Okay. It fell out someplace. I have to put you back. And now moving on to the next one. This one unwinds. Does a slip. And then we have a beautiful owl pocket. Remove the paper clip. This flips up, and then inside here's tag. It's in a pocket. On the back side, this paper clip holds this side down closed as well. So it has, make sure you can see. This flips down, and then you can see it or not. Belly band that holds this journaling card. And then the belly band has a pocket with a tag. And inside here's an envelope. And it has some goodies inside this pocket. Okay. Move it back down a little bit. Okay, this has a tall pocket. And it has a card in it. These are two pockets. And they have a tag. Well, two tags in it. One's a fabric lace tag. Then we have this, which opens, pull all these out, just like that. And inside here we have a tag, been echo dyed. And there's two tags over here on this side. Here we have this little mushroom writing spot. We have a tag and an envelope. And they're stuck behind this belly band. Okay, step back up. Opens this way. Move it down. This is to mail pouch. And these also have been echo dyed with ink. This one too. It's shorter. Love this. Gorgeous. Okay. And then this is another tall pocket. This pulls out, it's a bag, and this is all attached to the bag. When you open it, there's a pocket with a tag and information card. There's an envelope you can put stuff in. On this side is a box pocket with a giant tag. There we go. Okay. Over here is, actually, let's see. Okay, here's another removable booklet that you can take with you and record your stuff and then have a space to put it. This is a pocket. It's just got a feather, another specimen, dried flower specimen, and like fairy writing letter. Here is some blank papers. Put your to-do list on. Back here is a couple journaling cards. That's cute. And then the back. Slides right in. The back here is a pouch, and it has 2 pockets on the pouch that are fabric. And then these envelopes have goodies that match the journal that you can just put throughout. And this is a large pouch, so you can put a lot in there. Okay. Close this back up. I'm going to move stuff to the side so that we can get to this part. Okay, this is a acetate window so that you can see your journal inside. I'm going to pull the journal out so that we can go through it. Okay, so you can see this is a tab journal, which means it expands as you put stuff in it. And you have all these goodies. It's also a cascading journal, so that as you put stuff, you can see them poking out through the front. Here we go. I'm just going to open it, pull these out. Okay, here's on this side is a pocket. Writing spot. Tried to include lots of writing spaces in the journal. Every paper. There's just a pretty plain card. There's a tag. And right on the back. There's a tag. Okay. This goes with it. Okay, so here's writing spot. Pull that down. Also, you can flip it out and write. You can also write this way. It leaves all that writing place. There's a tab. This pulls down. Just a little 3 notepad. Tuck. Flip. There's a tag. It's got writing paper in the back. This is a pocket. This is a pocket. Has a card inside. This flips open for lots of writing. More writing. This flips up. And inside is some tags. These were hand stitched. This actually can flip up so you can write behind it as well. Over here's a little pocket with a tag, an envelope, and some writing paper. This is a fabric pouch that flips inside. You can untie here and here and pull it out. It is on a stick. This opens, and then there's some goodie papers inside. Been paper lined. It says magnetic, so it holds in place and won't open. This is tag, writing paper, and a writing paper. This is an envelope with some writing paper inside. This is a little journaling card, I guess. Pocket. Here's some journaling card and paper and stuff inside his pocket. More writing place. This is an envelope, and this is another flip down writing paper and more writing paper. It's got fibers in it. This just flips open. There's another dried flower specimen inside of a pocket. There's three envelopes, and each one has some goodies in it. Tags and whatnot. You see the two fairies kissing. This contains 2 tags you can pull out. Each one. And then they flip open. You can see the other side. So when you write in here, you'll be able to see through the window what you wrote. Here's a pocket. And here's a pocket with some dried flowers. And you can write right here. Okay. And this is like leather paper. It's got like a leather, soft leather texture to it. And that's it. Have a blessed day.